Sir, here just a simple question I'm going to ask for you people. What if your business runs perfectly? Okay, need not be. I'm telling business means need not be the business. Even your personal activities also. Okay, what if your business runs perfectly even when you are not there? Even when you are not there. Can you please imagine how beautiful it is? Without your presence, your business is running automatically. It's too good. Suppose if you took 10 days leave, will your work run smoothly? Is your business is going to run smoothly? Or everything is going to be stopped? Simple question. If everything is going to be stopped without me, then it's not perfect. You are an employee. Without you, that business is not going to run. Means compulsory, without you, that business should run very smoothly. My presence is not required. Like that, I build the systems. Okay, like that, I build the systems. So, every day compulsory you should be there means, you are not having the business, you have daily struggle. You are not having the business, you have daily struggle like. So remember, business means which should run automatically without my presence. Big businesses run by systems, not run by owners. Remember this one. The businesses are run by systems, okay? Not by people, not by owners. If owner is required to present everywhere, then automatically he can run only one special shop. What is that shop? What is that shop?
Pawn shop.
Pawn shop. Me pawn shop ఎప్పుడు చూసినా నేనే గుర్తొస్తానేమో. Anywhere you are seeing the pawn shop, anywhere you are seeing the pawn shop, Durga Sir only will be there in your mind.
Yes, whenever you see observe afternoon time in office, never pawn shop, we'll get this mind already.
Yes. Okay, next moreover, if you are going, if you are visiting any big stores, okay, like Vijayata or Ratnandi or otherwise DMart, like automatically you can see the system. Automatically you start observing the systems. Array, owner is not there. Without owner, how the system is going to run? You never going to surprise because you know all these things. Observe the systems anywhere. Observe the pawn shops. Talk with the people who are doing the business in your families. Talk with them. What activities they are doing. Can you please analyze them? Help them. Motivate them. This is not the way to do the business. This is the way you require to do that. Okay? Like, so what is the core idea of this topic? So the point here is just, I hope you people are aware. So without you, your system should run, your business should run smoothly. You are not required. You are not required. Even some 1 month, 2 months, 6 months, if you are not there also, no problem at all. My business should run smoothly. That's why Richard Branson, have you remembered? 400 companies is running. 400 companies is running. But he is enjoying his life. He is enjoying his life. 400 companies this person is running. Observe that, because they know the secret. That secret is delegation. That secret is build the systems that runs without their presence. Okay.